Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to do my the front panel wheel arch for my Ford Escort Mark II drawing. Just a little bit in depth of the process I'm going through. So to start with, I'm just going to sketch a light line in red pencil, just so I've got just some idea of where I want things to be. So I've got the wheel arch sticking out there. Now there's a line going across the car. So now the wheel arch is just under that. Then wheel, which will come. I'll do that maybe in another video, the wheels, but let's do an outline of it here. This wheel arch gets small on this side. Okay. Yep. Right. Now let's get some colour on the go. So I'm going to go back to my red Copic. And this bumper is red on the top and orange in the centre. So I'm going to follow that here. Like so. And this wheel arch. Just a touch of red in the centre. Then just do this middle section. Right, so that's the red in. I'm going to go for a bit of orange. I'll cover the whole thing, just highlighting that red that I've just done. Okay, so that's all of that. I might just need to do a darker edge for those reds. Let's get my purple pencil on the go. So let's just darken this corner here. Not too worried about going over where the wheel is, because I'll fix that later. And dark on this side. Just a little bit of center there. There we are. Then let's get some other pencils on the go. Just to tie these together a little bit. I want to try and minimize the white in it. Leave the whites for a special occasion. Okay, it's looking a little blotchy, but there. I'll get there. And maybe a bit orange pencil next. Things are scattered everywhere all over my desk. Need to clean it up a bit. So this is quite a light colour, so I'm not afraid just to go over everything. Apart from the black bumper. Okay, now I just want to add a bit more value to some of these darker edges. So I'm going to go to my biro again, and not too much, because this edge is nice and smooth up here, as you can see. I did that with pencil, so this edge is going to be nice and crisp. Bring this round. And just darken this area up. And the wheel's going to come down there. Add a bit of black on there. Just a touch there. Okay, that's looking good. Maybe add a bit of yellow in there, just to brighten things up. I'm not sure how much of an effect it will have on, but we'll see. It does kind of blend the bit quite well actually, so it does do some of that. Now the only problem I have now, it's a little dark there, so I might finish off with my Posca marker just to lighten that up. We just make sure it's all the last layer of pencils down before I do my Posca marker. Otherwise the pencil will just scratch it off, so I'm just smooth it all out. There we are. Nice smooth surface now for my Posca. So there is going to be a nice straight edge alongside this vehicle. So I'll get my ruler out and not drawing it. There we are. Just extend this shadow here. One there. Okay, I've done the Posca marker just around the wheel trim, wheel arch. Now I'm just going with a fine line of red, just to smooth it out a little bit. Just like so. Okay, I think that'll do for that side panel. I think next I'll either do this side panel or the windscreen, I'm not sure. We'll see what happens. But I'll see you later guys, thanks for watching.